G'day, I'm Lance Wise. We operate on the Darling Downs in Queensland. We grow wheat, barley, sorghum, and do a few legumes like mung beans and chickpeas, and dabble in a bit of canola. So the New Holland 9.90 we purchased last year, got a lot of new tech on it, really made it efficient, and our throughput has increased quite a bit. The amount of grain you can pump through it is just amazing. It's really increased our efficiency that way. Just be able to get the tons off, get them in the bin, get them where they're safe. It's an absolute pleasure to drive. Makes the job a lot easier. You can see it at the end of the day, how many tons you pull off, how clean the grain is when you take it off, and just makes operation run a lot better. So yeah, growing up here, we always had New Hollands. When I first memory of driving the machines and learning how to drive the machines was on the TX66, and that was pretty impressive back then, and this one's just amazing compared to it. Looking at all the technology, it's quite good how they've progressed. So this one's got Intellisense, which changes settings on the go as it sees it for different crops like wheat and barley, in particular for us, and it's just made the machine 3 times better than our last. Yeah, so this year we decided to go with smart tracks over the wheels, just because we see it floating across the ground a lot better, and it definitely does, especially in those wet conditions. And then being able to cut close to the ground and keep a consistent front height is incredibly important when you're doing things like chickpeas or lodged crops, and the tracks just float and bridge those gaps, and being a suspended track too, they're really, really good. The fronts we have at the moment is the McDon FD2 42 footer, and I believe that's a really good match for this header. Throughput wise, it helps if you can get that material into the header as efficiently as possible, and that front definitely does it. It's a really good match. We've been working through the local dealer since I was a kid basically, so a long time, probably 40 years or more, and they've just been fantastic with the service, been fantastic with parts when we needed them. Generally when we're harvesting, it's very crucial to have parts quickly so we're not held up for too long, and they've been pretty excellent in getting parts for us. I believe this machine's the best one because it's how simple it is to use. It's all right there in front of you. Checking the grain on the ground's pretty simple, everyone knows how to do that, but then the machine will change it so it keeps that consistent through a small tonnage crop to a large tonnage crop. The new technology it has is definitely the future, and it's definitely made a massive improvement.